Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust disk print area on your Canon TS8351a. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to these settings right here, and in those settings, go to device settings. Now here we will have the print settings right up top, and here we can adjust the disk print area. As you guys can see here, we can just click it, and here we can adjust it up to plus 0.9, or we can set it to minus 0.9 right here, and we can do that for either left or right, or top and bottom. So that's basically it. After you change something, then click OK, and it will set the following settings. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.